Meteorologist Chris Haddings here once again. You probably know it's been very, very cold across portions of the area, and also some more snow on the way for much of the area as we head toward Thursday into Friday. Start by taking a look at our watches, warnings, and advisories. Now, these are all winter storm watches pretty much across the western portion of the state. It includes Jackson as well as Yellowstone, Afton, Alpine, also down here toward Pinedale as well. Now, how much snow are we going to get? Have to wait till the end of the video to see that, because we have another thing to talk about. It'll be more widespread across the area, especially east of the divide. That's the cold temperatures. Now, I know you're saying, Chris, it's been cold the past few days in a lot of these areas, but looks like it's going to get even colder. These are low temperatures on Thursday morning. You'll have a cold front dropping north to south across the area. See minus 14, minus 12, minus 12. That's not too much different from what we've had. But the big difference being is our cold front drops south. There will be a bit of a gusty breeze developing, especially later tonight, and that's going to lead to this. These are wind chill temperatures. You can see dropping down to minus 30, minus 35. You can get frostbite very easily with this. So use caution if you have to go outside. Move on to Thursday night, Friday morning. This will probably be the coldest air coming in. You see minus 20s. It could get a little bit colder than this maybe, especially if you can clear out a little bit. And all difference here is cold air pressing all the way down toward Riverton. You can see minus 14 there, minus 16 in Casper. Now those of you west of the divide, next couple of nights aren't going to be that bad. Pretty much seasonal lows. You can see 19 in Jackson, 24, 25 in Rock Springs, so not too bad there. This is what it's going to feel like. Again, minus 30s widespread across the Bighorn Basin, also Johnson County. Even Riverton getting down, it feels like temperature down to minus 29 if you can get some wind there. So bundle up, you have to be outside again. This is dangerous cold. And as we head towards Saturday, pretty much the same thing. Looks like this will be another cold night. Now the difference here being the cold air is finally going to start draining to the other side of the divide. So you're getting down to 10 in Rock Springs to 3 in Jackson. And the feels like temperatures, they're going to be low. Low, baby. Some like Barry White. If you're under 50, look it up. He's a great singer back in the 70s. Anyway, this is what it's going to feel like Friday night. You can see, again, those minus 30s across much of the northern part of the area. And finally starting to turn colder as we head down across the south, too. Feels like below zero here. So probably be a wind as that cold air comes in there. Now, our confidence levels, dangerous cold, that's just about a slam dunk. It came up a little bit sooner with travel problems. That's going to be high. It's mainly across the west, I think. There could be a few travel problems, especially across northern Wyoming. Over the next couple of days, we get a couple of snow bands to set up. And snowfall amounts for this storm, medium confidence on that. Still a couple of days out. There could be a couple of changes to the models, but I know you want to know how much snow you're going to get if you're out west. So take a look at this. You can see very heavy snowfall probably across the Tetons, probably at least a foot there. Some of the higher elevations may be picking up 2 feet, like such as the ski resorts out there. Valleys are looking anywhere from about 6 to 12 inches. It's 4 to 6 in Jackson. Might be on the low side, maybe closer to 8 there. Now east of the divide, there's not going to be a lot of moisture crossing the divide, but the snow that falls, especially in this area, is going to be that fluffy snow where it just piles up. You can go up to your car, just blow on it, and it'll all come off. Highest amounts, I think, across the northern part. Now, this is going to fall over a couple of days, so not a big dump all at once. It could be a situation where it's cloudy, you just get light snow that falls during the day, and it never really comes down hard at any time. 1 to 3 inches, maybe locally up to 4 across the northern areas, and lesser amounts as you head further south. Generally less than an inch around Riverton. 3 to 4 around Casper, that might be a little generous, maybe 2 to 3 there. Again, depends on if any banding sets up. Maybe a little bit more in Casper Mountain, obviously, but the highest amounts, pretty much widespread amounts, I think, of a foot across the western mountains, 6 to 12 in the valleys. Here's our resources: weather.gov/REW. And for road conditions, again, I keep saying this, I want to keep emphasizing this, don't call us for road conditions. These are the places to go. Go to WYDOT. On the web, wireroad.info. You want to call them on the phone? If you're in state, 511. Coming here from out of state, 1-800-WYO Road. Webcams by route. You want to take a look at what the conditions are like for yourself. Weather.gov. Then click on local programs. Then go to webcams by route. Be safe, everybody. Have a great day.